My Neporal MagicPro rechargeable light bulb showed up today. These rechargeable light bulbs are the choice of 250,000 families, which makes my family the 250,000th and first family. The kit I ordered comes with 4 light bulbs, 2 remotes, 4 lamp holders, and 2 chargers. I was excited to get these bulbs because I've done a lot of electrical videos on the channel, and I thought it might be a good idea to kind of explain how these can be integrated into an existing system for emergencies or for other use. These light bulbs have 3 color settings, which can be used by toggling through using the button on the side. But if you really want to get technical, you can use the remote to control the light bulb. These remotes will actually work up to 25 meters away. Going through the settings on the bulb, there's the bulb on, there's your cool white, your neutral white, and your warm white. There's your dim all the way down. There's your dim all the way up. 50% dim, 100% bright. And if you're one of those people that fall asleep in your recliner, you can use the timer to set when you want the bulb to go off. There are 2 ways to recharge these bulbs. One is the USB option, and the other is installing the light bulb into a typical light socket. In either case, when the light bulb is charging, you'll see that red light. One thing that's really important to note is that these bulbs don't work with a switch. And so if you were to come over and turn off the light switch, all you're going to do is stop charging the bulb. One of my more recent jobs was putting a light in a walk-in closet. And what I did is I ran a wire off from an existing circuit, came up to a switch, and then ran the switch up to the light. And now actually seeing these in person, I thought it would have been a good idea to maybe just get one of these lamp holders and screw it to the wall if you didn't want to spend the money on it, because it costs quite a bit of money to install a circuit like that. So you could have just installed one of these lamp holders to the wall and then put one of these bulbs in place, and then you could have just used your remote to control the bulb. It would have served exactly the same purpose. The only one issue you would have had is every now and then you would have had to take this bulb out and go charge it. So the one thing about these that really piqued my interest was just using them as a regular flashlight. This is something you could just throw in the glove box of a car, have your USB charger. All my cars all have the USB chargers in them, and so I always have a way to charge them. And then if I have an emergency or something happens, then of course I can just pull this out of the glove box and go change a tire or go do something else. And the advantage that these have over regular flashlights is they don't have any batteries to change out. The battery is inside the light bulb, so it's just one sealed unit. I have my garage now, but these would have been really nice for when that 45-minute project turned into a 2-evening project. These lights are designed for smaller areas. They light up between 100 and 150 square feet. The lights in the remote are pretty sensitive, so you can actually have all 4 bulbs in one room and still be able to control them individually. These bulbs do have a lifespan of 25,000 hours, so you can use them for everyday use. And then of course when the power goes out, they'll already be in place. So I'm sure you can come up with a ton of different applications for the light bulb, especially with the hook adapter. We were thinking something like camping would be a good use for these, as you could hook them up in a tent. And of course anywhere you just need a little bit of a bright light of an area, where maybe like a flashlight might be impractical, where they're meant to shine out, where these are meant to kind of light up an area. We're so grateful for everyone who supported our channel, and thanks for watching.